In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goals and KPIs in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up clear, measurable goals that everyone can follow and support. First, open Asana and head to your home screen. From here, look to the left sidebar and click Goals. This is the hub where your organization's objectives live, and it's designed to make strategy visible and actionable for everyone. On the Goals page, you'll see a few helpful views. The strategy map gives you a high-level picture of how top-level objectives ladder down into supporting goals. Team Goals organizes objectives owned by specific teams so you can understand priorities by department. For personal accountability and focus, switch to My Goals. That's where we'll create a goal together right now. Click Create Goal. Start with a strong goal title. Keep it specific, measurable, and time-bound so it naturally reads like a KPI. For example, instead of improve customer satisfaction, try raise customer satisfaction score to 90 by year end. Clear language makes success unambiguous and keeps everyone aligned. Next, choose a goal owner. This is the single person responsible for shepherding the goal to completion, coordinating updates, and unblocking progress. Pick the person closest to the work with the authority to make decisions. Now add members. These are the collaborators who contribute, review, or need visibility. Add the core team, cross-functional partners, and any stakeholders who care about the outcome. When prompted, decide whether to notify new members. If your goal needs immediate attention or kickoff context, send the notification so everyone gets looped in right away. Select a time period. Choose the quarter, half, or year that reflects your planning cadence. Time boxing helps scope the work and creates natural checkpoints for measuring KPIs. If your target spans multiple quarters, still anchor it to the primary period where most of the impact is expected. Set privacy. Keep goals public when transparency drives alignment across teams. Use private when the work is still being shaped or contains sensitive information. You can always adjust privacy later as the goal matures. When everything looks good, click Save Goal. Your new goal will appear in My Goals and roll up appropriately in the strategy map or team goals, depending on its context. From here, you'll update progress, share status, and keep the KPI front and center so everyone understands what success looks like. That's it. You've created a clear, measurable goal in Asana, complete with ownership, collaborators, timeframe, and visibility settings. Everything you need to execute with confidence.